Hey everybody, so in this video I want to talk about this photo that I saw last night on the r/pokeinvesting subreddit. Someone leaked the Prismatic Evolution Super Premium Collection production line, those boxes. So before we get into that, little news article courtesy of Poke Beach. We have the Lilies Premium Tournament Collection dropping April 25th. It's going to have 6 packs in it. Looks like 2 Journey Together, a Surging Sparks, a Twilight, a Paldea Evolved, and 1 Obsidian Flame. So at least 3 guaranteed good packs. Journey Together is looking better than Obsidian Flames already. So, it's looking decent. It's also going to feature Lily's Clefairy EX instead of just a regular trainer card. And obviously, I think this can do really well just because it's Lily for one. Also, I've heard that Lily's Clefairy EX is a playable card right now, or at least in Japan, that's what people are using. And I think long term, in a few years when booster boxes are out of stock and the price per pack is going up, this is going to be one of those ancillary products that people start to buy out just because it makes sense at that point. Kind of what people are doing with the Cyrus and Clara premium collections right now. I know that I bought a lot of those. So definitely a good product for the players and also a good product for people down the line that want to just collect and get decent value on product. But talking about decent products, look at this super premium collection, guys. I'm actually super stoked about this product. I've said from the beginning it's going to be one to invest in, even before we knew what the promo was going to be. We now know that it's going to be the EV promo, and there's going to be 15 packs in here. And I want to just compare this to the 151 UPC. And I know that the 151 UPC is a bit different. It's got 16 packs inside, so 1 more pack, and it also has the 3 promo cards. You have the Metal Mew, you have the Mewtwo, and then you have the Mew EX. And I mean, a lot of these cards are just popping off, like the Mew EX. Wow, $35 raw almost. The Mewtwo is almost $15. Yeah, there you go. So up 800% on the year. And then the metal one's not worth as much, $8, $9. But this is definitely a great box. And I remember, months ago, I kind of put off getting these. I just didn't have a ton of space. I thought 151 was overpriced, or there was going to be a reprint and stuff was going to come down. And the reason I didn't buy a ton of the UPCs compared to booster bundles and stuff was the space issue for me. I'm now at a point where I have a lot more space. And, even if I didn't have space right now, I know that I just can't justify not buying these larger UPCs for Prismatic this time around. I've learned from missing out on the 151 UPCs that that is going to be a great product, and I'd be foolish not to buy some of these because I think it's going to be probably one of the best products outside of the PCTB, and maybe the regular ETB will outperform it. But that's really all I wanted to say, guys, is, when this product comes out, and we're already seeing that it looks like they're going to, produce a lot of it. There's going to be tons of these around. Hopefully we get something similar to the 151 situation where these were sitting at $80, $90 for a long time. I doubt that's going to happen. I really doubt it. That's probably me just coping, but if I can grab some of these near MSRP, obviously below MSRP, I'm going to be buying probably at least 2 cases, maybe 3 or 4. We'll see what happens. And that's really all I wanted to say in this video, guys. Just keep this product on your radar. May 16th. Look for pre-orders on the Pokemon Center, Hobbiesville, wherever. And that's really all I wanted to say in this video. A couple more things that I wanted to bring just as a way to provide more value in this video, because it's kind of just me, probably telling a lot of you guys something you already know. The Machamp V from Astral Radiance is back up to around $150. Not near its all-time high, which was almost $200, but still up from early January. It was around 130. So keep an eye on this card. The Charizard V from Brilliant Stars is actually back to its 1-year high, sitting around $200. It actually might have broken through that price point. And obviously, I love this Charizard. I think it's great. And people in general have been saying Brilliant Stars is underrated and undervalued. And a lot of these cards are starting to pop off. The Umbreon V Trainer Gallery is only $1 behind the V-Star Rainbow Charizard at this point. The Arceus V is actually a top 6 card now. It's overtaken that Sylveon. The Mimikyus are moving up into that $35, $40 range. And even some of these yellow border cards like the Jolteon, the Eevee, the Flareon, the Vaporeon, probably in response to Prismatic Evolutions, but they were climbing before then in from November. A lot of these cards are doing great. They're up 100, 150%. And then, of course, the Zekrom with N on the back is up 500% over the past 3 months from about a $2 card up into the $13 range. So keep an eye on Brilliant Stars, man. I mean, I even forgot about the set having a lot of these, lower dollar Evolutions cards, the Zekrom as well. They're yellow borders. The last time I really looked at Brilliant Stars, a lot of those were on like the second or third page. and a lot of them now are basically in the top 20 cards, which is wild. But that's really all I wanted to say in this video, guys. It's gonna be a little bit of a shorter one today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.